meet again. Talk about this baby. Two old sweethearts fell apart summer long ago. How they got to know someday meet again. Never need to more reminiscence. Maybe this time it will love to find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love will win. It's the same old feeling back again. The only thing that they back then, they were too young to know when love is real. Somehow, something never changed. Even time hasn't cooled the play. But I never invited see before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it will love will find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his time, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, oh boy. She smiles like she used to smile back then, feeling like she used to feel back when I tried something different. Waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it will happen to find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in this time, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love will turn. Love won't end. Ang hirap palang kumanta kapag bago gising. Alright. Please, yes, Teachers and Burn by Raleigh Pulipi. Mute ko lang po dahil mayroon. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright. Please subscribe, like, and share po. Pasensya na po sa boses. People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to. I just